Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing of a Keurig K-Cafe.
Keurig.
Keurig. It's a K.
It's a cure.
Keurig. Keurig or Keurig? I don't know. You let me know what you think.
No one says Keurig.
All right,
No,
so Keurig.
no.
Listen, they ain't got it for me.
Do you think
For my birthday.
it's the espresso one? Yes.
And this is a new one?
They say hi. They say hello.
Look,
What?
this is the
I know. Look at
this is the espresso and this is the Keurig.
Oh wow.
It's a little different. This is for my Nespresso machine. And this is for Keurig.
What?
The Keurig. The Keurig.
What's it called?
It's the Keurig machine. I'm gonna correct that. I'm gonna take all that out and I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna say Keurig. So we're gonna unbox a Keurig machine K-Cafe. Let's get this brewing. Not that big. Good size.
What? Look at the size of. What is this on the side?
This is to froth the
What?
milk.
Is that a hot tub? Oh
It's a hot tub.
God! I gotta take everything off again.
I hope it fits on there.
I hope so too.
Otherwise it's going on the counter.
Clean this.
Okay. Came with a little gear. This is the special edition. Slate, that's what I mean, slate.
That's what it is.
It only
Appliances. Let me see.
comes in two
Oh
parts.
yeah, this matches our appliances. Holy shit.
Nice.
Look right here. It's the same as our appliance. What are you doing? Break it already.
Some water in it. We should run water through it first. Okay, the unboxing was pretty simple. It's all together already, and I'm gonna run one coffee through it first before I actually put a pod. So we'll run some hot water, get some coupons with it.
They sell this donut shop at Lidl. I mean Aldi.
Here it goes.
The Google Chrome browser.
We have liftoff.
Nice.
That's a fancy machine.
Okay.
I'll get my peaches out and don't you? Is this regular or iced coffee? Oh, you gotta teach me. I'm gonna need a hard lesson on that shit.
I smell it already.
Coffee shop.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing.
All kinds of flavors in here.
I'm trying to ice brew.
You need ice?
Yeah. There's the first iced latte. You see how that tastes? Give it a
So I
little.
just drink it like that or I have to mix it?
I would mix it.
Give me a long spoon.
Ooh, so fancy.
It's like a cafe. Alyssa!
Ooh, it's really cold. Mmm. That's good. What do you want? You want a hot or a cold latte?
I'll try the cold one.
It's good with that milk too. Next time we try it with the creamer. It's nice.
Where's the?
What?
You want a regular coffee or the vanilla coffee?
I have the vanilla one.
Yeah, I'll try the vanilla.
It's caramel vanilla.
That sounds good.
Zane likes.
Alright, so the first thing is fill to the fill line with some almond milk, and we'll cold brew that. It says it takes about 3 minutes to froth the milk cold. So we're making an iced latte. Now we fill the cup halfway with ice. Okay. We put in our coffee pod, then we hit shot and the K.
The iced coffee you made.
What? Is that what it's supposed to?
No, but we
Look,
watch
it's
the
making
milk.
ice on that
Watch
one.
how the milk goes into it. Watch.
It's coming out hot and then it has the ice.
Yeah, a shot comes out, and then in ice, and then you put the cold milk in it. Milk should be almost done. There it is. Now we take the frothed milk, pour it on top.
Watch, show Alyssa. Watch how cool this is. Oh, look at how drips it on.
Oh, say.
And there you go. Iced latte.
Get another spoon because you licked that.
But how does it taste?
Get a spoon.
What kind of milk was it?
It's
Almond.
almond.
Oh, okay.
Cashew milk. You trying to kill my son? Look at how beautiful that is.
Yeah.
It looks so sick.
That's a fancy drink.
Tastes like Starbucks.
This you want one?
No.
It's legit.
I wish that you loved cold stuff. It's so
I wish I loved cold
cold
stuff.
coffee brewing latte.
I think I'm gonna have a cold one too.
Yeah?
It's good.
Yeah, right? And then you put sugar in
Let
it.
me try.
And this is the that's the French, the caramel vanilla. I gotta get
That's
one of
good
those
coffee.
moldy.
Mm.
Uh-huh. Maybe we'll change
That's a
Alyssa
big
to drink
Starbucks.
coffee.
It's legit.
Alyssa wants one.
It's good.
That's a nice machine you can put on your counter. Someone's birthday's coming up.
So why did you want this machine? Because of the cups? You like the cups?
Well, no, because you can froth the milk. You can do espresso and coffee and lattes and cappuccino.
All we had was espresso
And that's
machine.
espresso.
Oh, how did you make coffee? Instant coffee?
Yeah.
No, the coffee makes the coffee in here with the pot.
No.
Oh, before? Yeah, just in the microwave.
It's delicious.
Oh yeah, if you get some caramel syrup, you could pour it on top.
No, in the glass before you do it.
Yeah, on the
Yeah, like a
edges.
fancy Starbucks drink.
Or chocolate syrup.
Okay. Done?
Chocolate cream.
I do.
You could pretty much make that Starbucks drink that we got. Remember with the caramel?
That's a beautiful
Yeah,
thing.
Look.
Nice.
Yeah.
Little
Well,
whipped
listen, you're missing out on all the
cream.
fun. You can drink it like this. Look.
Oh yeah,
Oh, it tastes just like Starbucks.
that's legit. There it is. The Keurig machine is doing good.
Mm.
I'm scared if I like it, I'll get addicted to it.
Yeah, but it's not. It's almond milk. It's not. Mm.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. We got her set up at the coffee bar, ready for tomorrow morning.
There's nothing fattening about it, right? What did you do?
I did that on purpose.
What did you do?